I want to share with you my workout recovery favorites. These are the things that I do, or the products that I use to get recovery of my muscles and relief after doing any strength training or working out. As you guys know, I am on a health journey and I work out 7 days a week, and sometimes I do get sore, especially from strength training. So these are the things that really help me recover from that muscle soreness and tension, and just really help me get my body back in optimal shape so that I can continue daily life and work out again the next day. So if you're interested in seeing these products, please keep watching. Okay, so today's video is so special because it's actually in collaboration with Naipo. They reached out to me and they wanted to send me this neck and back massager to review and give you guys my honest opinion. You guys know that I do accept product reviews and collaborations and sponsorships with companies, but it's always under the terms of me being 100% completely honest. I wouldn't want you to spend your hard-earned money on anything that I was telling you is great if I didn't find it to be great. So they sent me this back and neck massager, and this is what it looks like. And I've been trying it out for a few weeks and I love it. I want to tell you some things about it. The great thing about this is not only can you use it on your back and neck like this, putting your arms through these little holes, you can use it like this, but because of the design, you can actually like put it on your legs and still put your arms through these little holes and hold your legs or different body parts and use the massager like that. So it's targeted specifically for your neck and back, but you can use it on different parts of your body, and that's what I really love about it. It has a heat function, it has different modes, it has different intensities, and also the great thing is not only does it come with a wall charger, so you don't have to worry about charging it, but it has a car charger. How amazing is that? I mean, it's more like a travel charger, but this would be perfect if you're in a car and you're tired and you want some relief from your neck, your back, or like I said, I haven't used it on my leg just because I do other things for that area. But if you totally wanted to use this on other body parts because of how you hold it and how it's placed on the body, you could totally do that. This is so relaxing, honestly. I've let other people try this because it really helps. Now, I don't get too much with my neck, but more so my shoulders, and that's from doing weight training and also how I lay in bed sometimes to watch like Netflix on my iPad. But a lot of times I have soreness in my shoulders, and this, you guys, this is amazing for that. So if you're looking for a great neck and back massager, or even to give to somebody as a gift, maybe they don't have time to get to a spa and get a massage, this is something that they will really like. I love that it's just so portable and convenient, and that you can honestly use this on other parts of your body besides your neck and your back. When I used it the first time, I was hooked, and I have used it other times since then, and I love it. I also like that it has the added heat, because sometimes that extra heat just helps to get out any kinks or crooks or anything, any problems that you're having. So definitely try this out. I am surprised I liked it so much, but I think the main thing that I love is just that it's not restricted to your neck and back. Like, you could put this on like your hamstring area and it will really help to alleviate some of that soreness. So definitely check this product out. I will leave a link down below to where you can find this, and if I have a coupon code, I will leave that as well. Okay, the second thing I want to talk about is this foam roller, and it is so large that it cannot even fit in the frame. I purchased this from Amazon. I believe it is the 36-inch foam roller. I was talking about how I was sore one day after a workout, and my girl Happy Stylish Mommy actually recommended this. And the interesting thing is that I always see foam rollers, like when I'm on Lululemon's website, I see them for like yoga recovery or things like that, but I never understood what it was. But I went ahead and purchased this, and I looked for some videos. You guys, this is the best. This is like being able to give yourself a massage. So if you do any type of strength training or you do workouts that really work out your muscles and sometimes you're sore and you can't walk, try this out. It is amazing. Now, it hurts while you're doing it. I'm gonna be honest, you will be in pain, but afterwards, your body will feel so recovered. This is great for my legs on days that I have a lot of leg tension. I don't necessarily have like a leg day. I don't work my legs out that much because I have a ton of muscle in my legs and I don't really need any more. But when my legs are sore, this is amazing. I also have used it for my sides, my inner thighs, anything like that. This really works well. I will also leave down below a video, the actual video that I do to roll out the tension in my muscles and to just really loosen up those muscles so that I'm not in pain, because a lot of times when I'm doing my strength training, my arms as well, they just get really sore. And you guys, this is the best thing that I've tried. It's literally like being able to give yourself a massage, and I got this from Amazon for about $22, so I will link that down below as well. Okay, the third thing I want to talk about is this yoga mat. Let me pull it tight so that it doesn't come unraveled again. My yoga mat is by Lululemon. I purchased this, maybe almost a decade ago when I was really into working out. The first time that I had a major weight loss. I would use this to do yoga in the morning. Now, I sit on this yoga mat while I am doing the foam workouts as well, just because I have hardwood floors in my house, and like laying on a hardwood floor and then using the foam roller, that can really hurt. So I do use this yoga mat. I like it because you won't slip and slide all around on the floor, and it also gives you some protection as well. But what I really want to talk about is doing yoga. That is something that I've started to get into. Not only do I like it because it kind of centers your thoughts and your mind and your breathing, but it's also really good for stretching and working out the tension in your muscles. So a lot of times between like my workout at the gym and my workout in my home gym, I will do something on the mat, just various stretching, just to kind of work my muscles out. I'm probably that person who should wake up every morning and stretch, but I don't always remember to. So doing some yoga stretching and just general basic yoga for beginners, that really helps to just loosen my body up so that I can do a workout later on in the day and not feel so tense. So a good yoga mat and also a yoga routine, and I will link the routine that I do down below. Also, this is just a Lululemon yoga mat strap. You can get like a strap or a bag from Amazon, Target, Walmart, anything like that. It all works the same. Another thing that I do for my muscles and to relieve tension is do hydro massages at the gym. My gym actually has this hydro massage machine that uses water pressure to relieve muscle tension and give you a massage. That's always nice. Now, I am a germaphobe, so stuff like that does kind of freak me out, but that really will help to alleviate any pain or tension in your muscles, and that's nice if you have something like that at your gym, because you can do that after a really intense workout and you can go home already feeling a little relief. So that is nice. And my last tip is going to get an actual massage, which is always nice, because sometimes there's just nothing like getting in a dimly lit room with some candles and essential oils and just having someone get all the kinks out of your body and your muscles and all the tension, and just literally laying there and relaxing, not thinking about work or school or family or anything like that. That is just the best. I know a lot of people have massage envies near them. You can go to day spas. You can go to hotels that have spas. One place I like going in Atlanta is called Treat Your Feet. They have really affordable massages that are amazing. So I like going there, but every once in a while, it's just good to get a massage. It's relaxing, it's good for your body, it's good for your muscles, and that really helps as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video sharing with you how I recover from working out, especially strength training. I don't use any heavy weights. but I probably will start upping my weights in the new year. And so these products and these routines are gonna come in even more handy because you do get sore. But the best advice I have is when your body is very sore and your muscles are tight and there's a lot of tension, work them out, because the more you keep doing it, the more your body will get used to it. And that's how you actually work those muscles out and build muscle. And I promise you will get relief. So yeah, let me know what are some of your favorites for muscle and workout recoveries after you have been working out. Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.